Mikey, look at this crepe myrtle tree. It's finally growing back.
Mom, we're seeing yellow birds. Mom?
Yellow bright birds?
No, because yellow birds.
Yellow birds?
Yeah.
Cool. Lulu, where have you been? What are you getting?
There's a baby with her mama went.
Lulu, what'd you get?
Probably a rat.
Where's Copper? Huh? Where's Copper? What were you guys chasing? The neighbor's cows?
Probably a bunny.
A bunny?
Yeah.
You gonna go find the chickens?
There they are.
Oh, they're under the trailer, huh? Oh,
Yeah.
we're looking for bugs over here.
Carlos is right there, and one is behind Carlos. This one, this one, this one. And this was the rooster. Hey, rooster!
Say, hey, Rudy the rooster.
Hey, rooster! You look at someone to do?
Yep. You looking for some worms?
No. I'm looking for worms.
No worms?
No. Oh, what are them?
I don't know.
Hey, there's a baby spider.
Say, we look for worms for the chickens sometimes, huh? I bet there's some under this blanket over here. Under Copper's blanket. Come here, chickens. Come on, chicks. Whoa, oh my gosh, there's tons of worms. Come here, chickens. Come on. Look at them run. They're like, I'm coming. There's worms. Come on, chickens, right here. Come on. Worms. Look, right here. Come on. Show them, Michael. Show them the worms are here. Come on, chicks. Oh, she found them. Look, all them worms. Yeah. Come on, there's worms. Is that one? Don't put them, let them eat them. Give them to the chickens. I wonder why they're not coming over here. Here, Rudy. Here. Come on. Here. Right there.
I call him Chick.
Oh, you just got your white shorts all muddy, Michael. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Don't get near him.
I knew there was a bunch.
There was a bunch under here.
Check.
Was that a worm?
Yeah.
Lulu. Chase, what y'all doing?
Check.
You guys up to no good? I know you are up to no good, Lulu. Oh, watch your head, Michael. Michael loves finding worms for his chickens. Is there any under that board? No?
No, because caterpillars.
Yeah.
So roly-polies. Baby caterpillars.
You see baby caterpillars?
Baby roly-polies.
No, just leave that. I guess.
Let's check.
Okay, flip it over. You gotta move that water feed over there. You need help? Nope. No worms under here.
Shoot, girl, it's there.
Why are you chasing them? Silly.
Let's see if there's any eggs.
I already got 4. What is
Where?
that? It's up there on the porch, I think, in the cup. Your brothers have to get them new water.
Let's get the new water then.
No, your brothers are going to.
Well, I'm going to plant your garden.
Hello. You're a mess. What are you doing, Michael? Getting them water? You're such a good worker. You know that? What have you been doing, Copper? You been out chasing deer? Huh? Here, Michael. Wait. Are you trying to reach it all the way down there?
No.